both green. I took off the inserts. Look at this. It's either this or like that. It still moves. What did I do wrong? Do I need a mat? Do I need a mat under this? What am I doing wrong? Because I unplug it, right? And then, see, look over there. It's in there. I added these because I saw on the video it has it, even though it's not even that deep. It's like right there. See? So even if I click that one in, watch. So if I click it in, hold on, just like that, it like moves so much. I don't know what to do. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Bear with me, I'm not like holding it in my hand. See, like, this is original Nuna. This is from my Nuna Rava, actually. And I'm plugging this in. Right? Just like that one over there. And I'm putting it straight in, like the video. Hear it click. And then it still moves. Like, what is that? So we have to plug this in, then we have to do the belt? I don't want to do that. I don't know what to do. In the video, my car seat looks like it's brown. It's not, it's black. I guess this is one problem that I don't like about it. Like, I like it how it's, so what am I supposed to do? Have it up? But then this thing is not touching that. This metal piece. And this, it's like this. This is more than 1 inch if you move this. I don't know what to do. I guess I leave it like that. I don't know. We use this on the airplane like 1 or 2 times. I don't know. And then all of a sudden we want to use it in the car. It's like so loose.